Tangents to a circle. Suppose first point, tangents of circle. Tangents of circle means if any circle drawn and to intersect the points, 2 points are joined to the line segment is called tangents of a circle. Suppose the definition, if any circle drawn and joined to the line segment at intersect 2 points is called tangents of circle. Example, suppose any circle drawn at intersect to the line segment at intersect 2 points, that means A and B. This one is the line segment. You understand? Next, another definition, secant of circle. Secant of circle means if any circle drawn and joined to the line segment only 1 point is called secant of circle. Okay, understand? Definition, if any circle drawn and joined to the line segment at only 1 point is called secant of circle. Example, if any circle drawn joined to the line segment only 1 point, this one is the line segment, this one is the circle. Okay, understand? So find the length of the tangent to a circle with center O and radius 6 centimeters from a point P, such that OP equal to 10 centimeters. Suppose draw a circle up to AO is the radius 6 centimeters, OB is the hypotenuse, AP is the other side. OP equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, understand? Suppose in triangle AOP, angle OAP equal to 90 degrees. Okay, understand? OA equal to 6 centimeters and OP equal to 10 centimeters. By Pythagoras theorem, OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. OP square means 10 square equal to OA square means 6 square plus AP square. 10 square means 100 equal to 6 square means 36 plus AP square. That implies AP square equal to 100 minus 36. AP equal to 100 minus 36 equal to 64. Square becomes to root. AP equal to 8 square root of square root cancel. Therefore, AP equal to 8 centimeters. So, statement: the lengths of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Suppose draw any circle and two line segments at one external point joined to the two line segments. Two line segments are equal. Given a circle with center O. P is a point lying outside the circle, and PA and PB are two tangents to the circle from point P. To prove PA equal to PB, proof join OA, OB and OP. Angle OAP equal to angle OBP equal to 90 degrees. Triangle OAP and triangle OBP are two right angle triangles. Suppose OA equal to OB, OP equal to OP is the common point. Suppose by Pythagoras rules prakaram triangle OAB and triangle OPB is a congruent triangles. By CPCT prakaram AP equal to PB or PA equal to PB. Hence proved.